Align the positioning holes on the air conditioner. Attach the sponge mat to the external machine. Press the sponge pad to fit the outside machine. Because the skylight style is different, leveling can be done using sponge strips. We offer 2 sponge strips of different thickness. Can be used according to the actual situation. Place the air conditioner on top of the skylight. Install the air conditioner support. Install 2 external support brackets on the tail of the air conditioner. Keep it balanced. Pull out the external circuit of the air conditioner for sorting. Easy wiring. Install interior panel setting screws. Install upholstery plate brackets based on the size of skylights, because the demo car has a small sunroof. Adopt lateral installation. The support is fixed with nuts. Use a wrench to tighten the nut. Connect the power cable. Hide the power cord at the top of the car. Clamp the control panel into the trim panel. Note the panel orientation during installation. Connect the external line to the control panel line. The white line connection point is on the left side of the control panel. The red connection points are above the control panel. The red connection points are above the control panel. Use the screw cap to hide the screws. Make the interior panel more beautiful. Clamp into the air inlet net according to the position of the buckle.
打八，2打8，3。